Hi, right now we're going to learn about how to remove bad spot from the skin, and you can call this lesson as a skin retouch lesson. So we are going to learn about how to remove spot from the skin. So let's take a look, and for practicing or for learning we need to open an image from our exercise file. So here is the file menu, here is the open option, and inside our exercise file you will get this Housing Ensib Unsplash image. So you just have to select it and then you have to click open. Okay, here we go. You can take a look. This lady, she have lots of dark spot on her face, and we're going to fix this. We're going to remove this all the bad spots from her face. So let's start the process. So at first I want to duplicate this background layer, and in the new duplicated layer we will fix this spot. So let's follow the steps. For the duplicating layer, you just have to right click with your mouse on the background layer, then you will get this duplicate layer option. And let me write spot healing. Okay, spot healing, and let me click OK. So here is the new layer, and we're going to work in this new layer. For removing the spot from our face, we have to use the tool, and the name of this magic tool is spot healing brush tool. So where you will get this spot healing brush tool? Inside the toolbar. You will get the spot healing brush tool inside this patch tool. So you just have to right click with your mouse on the patch tool, then you will get the spot healing brush tool. So let me select it. Okay, cool. So when you will select this spot healing brush tool, you will have an option called type, and you have to make sure that the type is enabled with content aware, because right now we do have enabled with proximity match. There is a create texture field also available, but we are not going to use this tool. We are going to use this content aware type. So please make sure this content aware type is enabled with the spot healing brush tool. Okay, so let me zoom in the image. Okay, you can take a look, lots of dark spot in her face. So with the spot healing brush tool, I'm going to remove all this spot, and that's why you have to place your mouse cursor at the spot, and then you have to click with your mouse once. You can take a look, the spot is gone. So let me clean all the spots. Okay, cool. You can take a look. It's really working as like a magic tool, because most of the spots are removing. And this is one of the great tool for removing the bad spots from skin, from the object, as well as for the image. I mean, if you want to make an old image to a new image, or if you want to remove the bad spot from an old image, in that case you can use this tool as well. Okay, you can take a look, all of the spot from the nose and from the right side of cheeks, it's gone. And now we are removing the spot from left side. Okay, cool. So the simple process, you just have to place the spot inside your spot healing brush tools, and you have to place with your mouse cursor, and then you just have to press the left button from your mouse. So let's compare between before and after. So we used the spot healing brush tool at spot healing layer. So let me turn it off, then we will get back the original image with the background layer, then we can compare between before and after. So let me turn it off. Here is the previous image, and this lady has tons of bad spot or dark spot on her face, and after applying the spot healing brush tool, how it look like? It looks like a magical tool that is applied and all the bad spots are gone. So this is how you will use the spot healing brush tool for removing the bad spot from woman's face. So let's have some practice, and I'm going to see you in next lesson.